Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you take safety and carpentry very seriously, then you should invest in this SAWSTOP Jobsite Pro.
We all know the appeal of getting a SAWSTOP product because of their patented safety system, which can potentially save your fingers. But this machine is so awesome on top of all of that. It has fantastic storage. It has all the tools that you need for your table saw. It is so easy to use and it comes with the greatest instructions. This saw works so perfectly every single time. It is so reliable. The control box house has a on and off that is always checking that all systems are working reliably to keep you safe. It is extremely easy to adjust the saw. It has one turn elevation to raise and lower the blade and quick tilt adjustments and can get the most accurate cut possible. And this also is so easy to move around. It has an intuitive foot pedal that means the mobile cart can collapse easily for transport. Not only does this machine work perfectly, but it helps give me peace of mind when we're working on projects that we are staying as safe as possible while still doing the highest quality work for craftsmanship. We love this saw stop.
So if you're ready to take your carpentry to the next level, then definitely get yourself one of these Jobsite Pros from SawStop. I think it's 100% worth every penny. And that is my point of view.